What's up, y'all? My name is Slim, and I'm back with another message, okay? This is Inspiring Roots Tarot. I hope everybody's doing okay out there. This is a collective message. Collective, every message is not going to resonate with you guys, so please take what does and leave the rest, alright? Please hit that like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when I do post other readings. Please check out those readings, check out those shorts, check out my website, hairbyslim.com. You can book a hair appointment there if you guys are in my area. Hairbyslim.com, my underwear. I ain't do a reading in a minute, y'all, and it's my second one. Hold on, I'm making a mess. I ain't eating Chipotle. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, and this is my second message for today, y'all. I don't know what it is. I got the energy to do so I'm going to do it. If I got an energy to do another one, I'm going to do another one after this one. Okay, but like I said, hit that like button, share, subscribe, and notification bell so you guys are notified when I do post other readings. I hope everybody's doing okay. Collectively, this message will not resonate with everyone, so please take what does and leave the rest. Alright? So whoever I'm talking to right here today, you are elevating, okay? You are on your spiritual path. You are on your spiritual journey. You are focused on self, okay? Some of you went through a lot of spiritual awakenings. You've been through a lot. You've been through so much, okay? And I feel like there's a group of people, group of females, more than 3. I feel could be 3, could be more, all right? They're petty as fuck, gossiping about you, jealous of your extension, your ascension, excuse me. They are envious of what the hell you got going on. Okay, but they're focused on you. They're hating, but they're still focused on you. They're talking, but it seems like these group of birds are still focused on you, fascinated, always watching what you're doing or what you got going on, possibly because these people don't have anything going on for themselves. All right, I feel the need to say that people, this group of people, whoever this could be, but I feel like these are, because people, they hold on, y'all, everything just moving so fast here. Okay, I feel the need to say that this group of females or these group of people don't have anything good going on for themselves. Some of these females don't even know what the fuck they're living for, alright? They might be mad at you because you have a purpose. They might be mad at you because you know what your purpose is in life and they're still fucking searching. You know where they're going. You know where you're going. Well, you might know where they're going. Nowhere. But you know where you're going in life or what you plan on doing. And these bitches are still lost. Somebody's lost. Because they gotta fucking watch you. There is no way that somebody can have enough time to sit there and gossip about people, be petty, be envious, have all this energy for somebody else and still be doing good themselves. I'm telling you, it's no way. It's absolutely no way. I feel like you're dedicated, you're focused, you got your eyes on the prize, you're focused on your foundation. You focus on what you got going on. Yeah, you don't. Crickets. Maybe, okay, so maybe you don't speak to these people, you don't say anything to these people. This could be a group of family members. Could be someone you don't speak to anymore, possibly. Or maybe the angels want you to don't say anything. Yeah, don't say anything. Don't react to these people. Don't give them any of your energy. I'm talking to a divine feminine right now. I see why they're talking about you. Shit, they can't do nothing else but you. Because they definitely feel threatened. These bitches feel threatened. They look like clowns when it comes to you. These people be embarrassing themselves, put it that way, talking about you. Is someone getting married or some shit like that? Or I don't know if these bitches be having sleepovers and shit. I ain't gonna say that. Some of these people talk about you for like being alone, but what people don't understand is someone that can walk alone, be alone, like that don't need people. Those are the best people to be around. Not the people that always need somebody with them, always got to be with a group, got to be with an entourage or some shit. Like, you need somebody to be there with. You can't even sit by yourself to hear your own thoughts. You don't even like yourself, but you talking about people that walk alone. Like, that shit doesn't make sense to me. I saw a status on Facebook the other day. Y'all better, I don't know, something about them people that don't keep friends or some shit like that. Nah, it's something about those people that can't be by themselves. Something wrong with y'all motherfuckers. You sit around with that many people around you all the time. There's no way that you have any type of like discernment or something like that. You don't have discernment. There's no way that you sit around with 10 people, 5, 6, 7, all them loyal. I'm telling y'all. There's no growth. Y'all been friends with, y'all growing I'm telling you, no, somebody is not growing. Like, there's no way. I'm not saying all cases, but some cases, yes. Like, yeah, like I said, this group, whoever this group is, they're toxic. Whatever behaviors, I'm feeling like some of these females probably be sleeping with each other and shit like that. I'm saying they be having sleepovers, and grown ass women having sleepovers and shit. Cause all of them have like robes on or something. Like, I don't know. It don't have to be, but that's what something's telling me this. They're toxic. Their behaviors are unhealthy. Like, I don't know. This is gossip and jealousy. It's just fucking enough for me at this point. Like, y'all done with all that catty shit, like being in friend groups and bitches be talking about each other and all that extra shit. Like, that's definitely a lesson learned for you. I see. Lesson learned. I learned my lesson about these friend groups. I'm not saying all of them, y'all. I need to say that, not all of them, but some of y'all could have known these people since you were little. Someone could be younger than you. Or these bitches just act like they fucking childish. They're just childish as fuck. These people got kids and still act like they fucking kids themselves. Call this reading a group of bitches sitting back talking about your fucking past because they don't have one. We were bitches talking about your fucking life purpose because they haven't found out what theirs is yet. Divine feminine. These females could have tried to weigh you down, try to stop you from your elevating, stop you from changing, trying to stop you from being a better person. Yeah, but they thought they could stop you. Why is divine feminine here? You're going towards people that give you genuine love, certain love. Yeah. Y'all had to cut these people off because they was toxic as fuck. Y'all don't deal with them anymore because these people's toxic as fuck. Let's see what else I can get in 11 minutes. Let's see this. Let's see if I can get some. Yeah, but a group of females is definitely threatened by what you got going on, what you doing in your life. Some of these females in this friend group could feel embarrassed about some behaviors or some shit they've done or some shit like that. I mean, I don't know what the fuck is going on with these. Yes, yeah. I don't know. These bitches might just like sneaky links and shit like that. Might just be a group of hoes. I don't know. That's the right deck for this shit I'm looking for. But whoever these females are, they need to worry about what the hell they got going on in the household. So yeah, now some of these folks need to worry about their money instead of worry about what the fuck you got going on. Group of friends, group of family members. Who knows? Please tell me about this. Spirit, tell me more. This collective need to know about this group of people, this group of petty ass females. They hate on your happiness. My little braid sticking up. They happiness haters. They hate on your happiness, honey. Whoever is, some of these females need to worry about going to the hospital, getting their coochie checked. Instead of worry about what the fuck you got going on. They're hating on your, I already said, they feel threatened about your happiness. They feel threatened about what the fuck you got going on. They see you in a relationship, happy, doing good, whatever, and they're hating on this shit here. Negative as fuck. You had to cut these people off because they negative as fuck. Some of y'all just realized, like, these people ain't for me. You better get the fuck around these folks. Come around these people. Happiness hater. What else? Oh, what's that? Yeah. Like I said, moving on next. Yeah, done. It's definitely a group of 3 people or more. So it shows you everything they need to show you. Now they just sitting back looking at you online, watching you, gang stalking you and shit like that. Obsessed. Focus, watching you, fascinated, watching you. They're watching you so they can have something to talk about. I say they have people that have lives don't do shit. Don't do this type of shit. These are people that don't have nothing going on for themselves. I'm telling you. And they need to focus in on them. Go pay some fucking bills or something. Go take a shower, brush your teeth. Go check your cat out. Telling you somebody got something. Why they worried about you? Elevating. Tell me more about these group females. Yeah. You shining too bright for these bitches. You shining way too bright. Your light irritating them. Keep shining, shine brighter. Do something else to piss them off. Yeah, they know who you are. They know you the divine feminine. They know you step into your power. They see you in that spotlight. Some of y'all could be social media influencers, some shit like that. So they see a lot of your content online. Yeah, this friend group was dangerous, obsessed, unhealthy. Some of these bitches could have been like possessive or some shit like that. Like I said, if they tried to hold you down, try to keep you fucking stuck where they at, nowhere. Yeah, motherfuckers can't stay out your business. These people can't stay out your business. This is fucking sad. It's fucking sad. Some of these bitches try to steal your creativity and shit. Reflecting. Yeah, you got these people sitting at home thinking like, well, damn, what should I do? Well, should I heal? Should I make different decisions in my life? Well, maybe she's right. Somebody steal your ideas, copy your work, one of these bitches in here, they watch you so they can try to be you. Only person that can be you is you. What the hell is wrong with these bitches? Some of these females don't do nothing but party and bullshit and party and bullshit. Same shit, different day with these hoes. Told you, somebody, guys, sitting back talking about you. Somebody need to go get them some motherfucking money. Tired of this shit, broke bitches. Somebody go get them some money. Too busy fucking drinking and smoking and partying and shit. Go get you some fucking money. Yeah, some of these bitches is worried about you and they need to worry about this badass reputation they got. Like I said, talking shit. They sit back, gossip, talk shit about you, but they're the ones that fucking, maybe they be throwing that gossip and shit about you so people can look at you different or something like that. I don't know. But some of these motherfuckers do not have a room to say anything. Nothing. They don't have a room to say anything. Some of them be talking about you in group chats and shit. Sending, taking screenshots and sending them laughing and he. I'm getting all of that. All of it. I don't even know what to call this reading. I don't know what to call it. But don't say nothing to these bitches. Somebody else fucking obsessed. Anything else, Spirit? Whoa. They never fall so I can see them. You could be talking shit about you online, but I don't even think you see the shit. You don't even fucking care. Like, they feel threatened by you. It ain't the other way around. It ain't the other way around. Let me get one more. Yeah, again, they're threatened. That's the second time that came out. They feel threatened about your growth. They feel threatened by your growth. They're bothered by your growth. But they, at the same time, these bitches bothered, but why they won't stop watching? They can't keep your name out the fucking search bar. It could be up to like the 6 people that sit around and talk about you like this. Trying to sit around digging up dirt and see what the fuck they can pull up on you. They can't find shit. But you see these bitches that could be smiling in your face. Oh, hey, girl. Hey, how you doing? Oh, it's good to see you, boy. No. I don't be going around smiling in none of these bitches' faces. None of them. Not a one of them. Definitely learned my lesson. I ain't lying to y'all. But collective, I hope something here resonated with you guys. Let me see if I can find some zodiac signs, because what the fuck? Somebody could be mad because you getting money. You getting money. Yeah, they just mad about your happiness, period. Y'all, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Give me a sign and a symbol. Libra. I can get a couple signs. Gemini could be your sign or theirs. Okay. Aries. Somebody, one of the females could have long nails or wear nails with a lot of designs and knickknacks and shit on there. Trying to find some signs, y'all. Aquarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Virgo, Aquarius, Libra again, Aries. You're protected from these people. Alright. But okay, y'all, I hope something here resonated with you guys. Please hit that like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified. But until next time, y'all, one love.